Hello YouTubers, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be talking about the battery timing of Mi Band 6. I've been using Mi Band 6 for quite some time now, and I thought I should make a video and tell you guys about the battery timing of this band, since this is the latest band from Xiaomi. So I've been checking the comments, and a lot of you have complained that the Mi Band 6 is not lasting long enough. Like, it was promised that it should last for 10, 11 days or 12 days, but it is not lasting that much. I've seen comments where people have literally they've been crying that the battery is not even lasting for a week. So I thought I should make a video. So as you can see from the screenshot that I've put up of my Mi app, you can see that 18% of the battery is left, and you can also see that I last charged the band 10 days ago. So that means that the band has lasted for 10 days and still 18% of the battery is left. So that is quite good. Now moving on to the second screenshot, as you can see that 2% of the battery is left, and well, this was the 12th day. So I got 12 days of battery out of my Mi Band 6, and still 2% was left, and it was about to just turn off. It would have lasted like 1 or 2 hours maximum. So I will go through the process, and I will show you my settings that I keep so that I get at least 12 days of battery. So let's move on to the settings. So this is the Mi app, and as you can see, well, this is the settings that I keep. Well, you need to put the heart rate monitoring at 5 minutes, and you need to turn off all stress settings, sleep monitoring. You need to turn that all off. Still, you will be able to monitor sleep, but this is what you need to do. So basically there is not much setting to do. All you need to do is that you need to put the heart rate monitoring interval to 5 minutes, and you need to turn off all the other settings, sleep monitoring, everything. You need to turn it off because that is done automatically. You don't need to turn it on. And well, if your battery hardware is working perfectly, then of course you will get around 10 to 12 days of battery. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.